Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at the types of conversions that are available to you in Google Adwords, and we're going to be deciding which conversions you should use in your campaign. Okay, so to go to conversions, we come up here to Tools, click on Conversions, click on the Add Conversion button, and here you go. You can see now the different options that we have available to us. So we have a website conversion, and as it says below, track purchases, form submissions or other actions by adding the tag to your website. Now the way this conversion type works is you will actually track specific pages on your website. So for example, for a purchase, somebody would go through the shopping cart, and then after they've made the purchase, the likelihood is they're going to be redirected to some kind of thank you page. So the thank you page is where you would place this type of conversion tracking. And as a result, you're going to be able to track everybody that lands on that thank you page. The same would be true of an inquiry form or a contact form. A general best practice is to send people to a different page after they've completed the action. That way you can track that page and only that page, and that means that conversions aren't measured until somebody actually reaches that page. The next one is app conversion tracking. Now unless you are selling an app, this is probably not going to be relevant to most people watching this. But essentially what it allows you to do is you can add a code snippet to the app and you can track downloads. So if you are planning on selling an app, this is definitely going to be the option for you, and there is a learn more link down here so you can learn more about how to track conversions of app downloads and also in-app actions. The next one is phone calls. This is going to cover any on-site calls. We can also track click to call directly from ads on mobile devices, and we can also track forwarding numbers on desktop and tablets. So this would be somebody who is searching on their laptop, desktop or tablet device, and they see the number in your ad and ring from another device offline. The call tracking is actually something that's getting better and better with Google. Call forwarding is quite accurate. As we know, we've created call only ads earlier on. These are quite a new feature. Also the on-site call tracking, this is a new feature, and prior to this actually being added, you had to use third-party softwares to track any phone call conversions coming via AdWords. So they've really sort of made leaps and bounds on the phone call tracking now, and I highly advise that you implement every single type of phone call tracking that's available to you. And then finally we have import conversion tracking. Now this is a little bit more advanced, and it involves actually uploading conversion data yourself. So this could be really useful if you had a business where the sales process took a little bit longer. So perhaps you generate a lead on site, but that person takes a little bit longer to actually make a purchase or sign a contract. And this allows you to upload that data up to 30 days after the initial conversion takes place. So quite useful. Probably not something we're going to be looking at in this course, but once you have the other areas figured out, it's definitely something to come back and look at, particularly if you do have a longer sales process. For these videos in this section of the course, the two main conversion types that we're going to be concentrating on are website conversions and phone call conversions. For most businesses, you're going to be able to cover every single conversion type here with these types of conversion. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at website conversions. I'm going to be showing you how to set this up. I hope you find this useful. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.